Alright, I'm done installing the motherboard into the case, so let me go ahead and put in the graphic card and also the power supply. Let me start it using graphic card and see how the hell does it even need to go. Just need to put in so that these things can be shown nicely. Okay, should be good now. Then power supply. So all these bunches of cables. So this take off all these cables. As you can see, this side needs to come out from here. Yeah, from this side. As you can see, just need to take it. Put it in there. Like that. So that's it. So I'm going to screw these things, these 4 of them, plus this small thing. It's holding the graphic cards from not shaking. So that's what I'm gonna tie, plus this 4. And these cables, I will just put them here for hold on.